If you're seeing the Beehiiv Error 429, that usually means you've made too many requests in a short period of time. The good news is that this is often temporary, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back into Beehiiv and keep working without guessing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, stop making any additional requests for the moment. If you keep clicking, refreshing too quickly, or trying the same action over and over, you may keep triggering the same rate limit. So pause for a minute and let the system calm down. Next, wait a few minutes before trying again. In many cases, Beehiiv will automatically clear the limit after a short cooldown period. A simple wait of a few minutes is often enough to let the error reset itself. After that, refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes the error is just a temporary session issue, and a clean refresh can reload the dashboard properly. If the page still shows the error, don't panic. Move on to the next step. Now log out of your Beehiiv account completely. Once you're signed out, close the tab if needed, then open Beehiiv again and log back in. This can help clear any stuck session behavior and give you a fresh connection to the platform. If you're still having trouble, reduce the number of actions you're performing in a short period of time. That means slowing down how often you publish, edit, import, export, or refresh. Error 429 is often caused by sending too many actions too quickly, so pacing your workflow can make a big difference. Another important step is to avoid running multiple imports or exports at the same time. If you have several bulk actions happening together, Beehiiv may block them because they create too many requests at once. Try doing one task at a time instead of stacking them all together. You should also check whether an automation or integration is generating excessive requests. If you use third-party tools, Zapier workflows, API connections, or other automations, one of them may be repeatedly pinging Beehiiv in the background. Temporarily disable those tools and see if the error disappears. If it does, you've found the source of the issue. So, to recap, the fastest way to fix Beehiiv Error 429 is to stop the repeated requests, wait a few minutes, refresh the page, log out and back in, slow down your actions, avoid simultaneous imports or exports, and check your automations and integrations for excessive activity. If this video helped you solve the problem, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.